Guys, what's up? Check this out. This is a rare breed. It's a 2012 Ram 2500 5.7 liter Power Wagon. HEMI 5.7 liter Power Wagon. Awesome truck, and here's why. It's a 2500 series, all right? And they only made a select few of these trucks, the Power Wagons. They come factory with a built-in winch in the front bumper. Your controller goes there. Is your fair lead, your winch cable, and your hook. Comes with a nice red accents with a black insert lettering. Cab lights, 5.7 liter HEMI. And it's just a really, really nice truck. Factory with some big tires. They come factory out of the box leveled. Some nice tires, black bottom, gray, and red pinstripe. This one's got a fifth wheel hookup. Brackets right there. It's got a Power Wagon in the back right there. Underside's pretty clean. Looks really nice. Frame's in good shape. No rust in the cab corners. Everything is really clean. A little bit of surface rust, a little bit of dirt, but it can be cleaned up. No big deal. Miles. It's got 99,720 maintained miles. Four-wheel drive. Does that have a backup camera? Yeah. Yeah, backup camera. Flip up center console. Shifter on the floor, Dodge Ram floor mats with the plastic still under the seats. Power seats, power windows, locks. My phone's gonna overheat, so I gotta make it quick. So your storage, you got your coolers right here. You can just take these out. Awesome addition on both sides. You got storage under the rear seats right there. Subwoofer under the passenger side. Let's check the power plant. Electric trailer brake controller. And that's it, really. No, it's a great truck. Oh shit, that didn't feel too good. 5.7 liter HEMI V8. Fluids are great. Shut that hood lantern. Everything's good. And everything's good. It's got the factory fender flares. So start it up, show you guys what's going on, and hope you guys like it. All right, here we go.